Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about something about nouns. Okay, I know you are familiar with nouns, kinds of noun. So today there is a part you can take it as an exceptional. Some nouns have two forms for plural with different meanings. Means you are knowing singular means boy and plural means boys. If the noun is one, then it is said to be singular. If it is more than one, then it is said to be plural. But boy and boys have the same meaning, while there are some words, if you make from singular to plural, then it has two meanings. According to passage, you can find out suitable meaning for the sentences. So let's start. Here I have written singular and in this side plural. Okay, this is brother. You are very familiar with this word brother. Okay, and what is brothers? Means sons of the same father. Sons of the same father. Okay, if you are writing, it is also plural, brethren, brethren, brethren. It means member of the same society. Clear? Our next word is appendix. You are knowing what is appendix? Appendixes means a small outgrowth on the surface of an organ. Clear? Appendixes means a small outgrowth on the surface of an organ. And second meaning is appendices means something added especially to at the end of the book. I think you have seen it when the book is completed. At the last page it is given. Let's hear cloth. As I told you, what is the meaning between material noun and common noun? Like as water, that is material. If we use it as a drinking water, so it is common noun. Like gold, gold is material noun. And ring, actually ring is the made of golden ring, so it is common noun. Ring can be made up of silver also, so it will be common noun. But here see cloths, cloths. Okay, cloth means kinds or pieces of cloth. Means it is, you can use as a material. But cloths, clothes, cloths, what is means? Garments for wear, like pant, shirt. Clear? So these are garments. Clear? So you can say these are clothes. Next, die. Die, there are two forms. Dies, stamps of coining, and dice, small cubes used in gaming. When you play Ludo, that is known as dice. Clear? There are 6 numbers, or you can say there are 6 points, 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 6 points. That is dice. And in this dice is stamps of coining. Next word is fish. You are very familiar with fish. Clear? Fish means taken collectively, and fishes taken separately. Fish means collectively and fishes means taken separately. Okay. Genius, singular form is genius. There are two meanings of geniuses. Geniuses means man of great genius or talent. Sometimes we say na, he is very genius person. Any kind of question when you ask from the sir, he is able to solve all type of question. So he is very genius in mathematics. Or the student of my class are very genius in mathematics. Zeni, Zenii. Actually, radius and ready in mathematics you have seen. So here Zeni means imaginary spirits of the air. Next, index. Very familiar with index. Indexes. Indexes means tables of content to books. And indices. Indices is it is used in maths, especially used in algebra. Indices. There is a chapter is indices. So indices is the plural form of index, but in mathematics it has another use, indices. Clear? So next, short. Shorts has two meaning. Short, the small balls fired from a gun. You can say bullet also. Actually, have you any shot left? Clear? And shots, it means the separate acts of shooting, especially in film industries. He had 5 shots. Clear? And the last one is staff. You are knowing staffs? Bodies of skilled officers. And steps, S-T-A-V-E-S. S-T-A-V-E-S. Steps means stick or poles. P-O-L-E-S. Sticks or poles. Clear?